Have you ever found yourself captivated by the enigmatic allure of the lost civilization of Atlantis, a realm of advanced beings that seemingly vanished into the ether? This question has been a source of fascination for philosophers, historians, and dreamers throughout the ages. Atlantis, as initially described by the esteemed philosopher Plato, was purported to be an epitome of unparalleled magnificence and sophistication. It was a civilization that overshadowed any other during its existence, a shining symbol of advancement, knowledge, and prosperity. Nevertheless, despite its alleged brilliance, Atlantis remains an enigma, its existence as murky as the seas it is believed to have submerged into. But what if Atlantis was more than a mere product of Plato's creativity? What if it was a genuine place inhabited by a society far superior to anything we've ever perceived? A society that could have been the birthplace of our ancient forebears, the Anunnaki, or even precursor of present-day humans. Theories flourish, each one more riveting than the prior. Some suggest that the Atlanteans were beings of exceptional capabilities, in possession of knowledge and technologies far surpassing our current comprehension. Could they have attained proficiency in utilizing the power of crystals, or maybe even unearthed the secrets of telepathy and telekinesis? Others propose that Atlantis was a nucleus of cosmic activity, a convergence point for intergalactic civilizations. Could it have been a galactic junction where Anunnaki and humans cohabited, learned from one another, and possibly even interbred? Then there are those who speculate that the Atlanteans were we, the modern humans, who had reached an apex of evolution, only to be obliterated by a cataclysm, leaving behind merely a fragment of their knowledge and wisdom. The enigma of Atlantis is a conundrum that lures us, a maze of possibilities waiting to be navigated. It's a narrative that has been handed down through generations, an account of a civilization that was, or perhaps still is, far superior to our comprehension. As we plunge deeper into the chasm of the past, let's unveil the chronological narrative of Atlantis, a civilization that seemingly evaporated into oblivion. The tale of Atlantis, as ancient as time itself, is shrouded in both mystery and intrigue. Born from the narratives of yore, Atlantis is said to have been a civilization like no other, a city-state of advanced beings, potentially even our own ancestors. The seeds of Atlantis, according to various sources, were sown by the ancient Anunnaki, a race of celestial beings from the annals of Sumerian and Akkadian mythology. It was they who are believed to have laid the foundations of this mighty civilization, a grand experiment in the pursuit of knowledge and advancement. As the legend goes, Atlantis evolved to become a beacon of knowledge, a shining example of progress. Their advancements in architecture, agriculture, and astronomy, it is said, were unparalleled, often surpassing the capabilities of even our modern society. Picture towering structures that touched the skies, farms that yielded bountiful harvests year-round, and observatories that glimpsed far beyond our own galaxy. And yet, the Atlanteans didn't stop there. They delved into the mysteries of the universe, exploring the realms of quantum physics, metaphysics, and even the concept of time itself. Their understanding of these complex fields, while speculative, paints a picture of a civilization that was not just technologically advanced, but also spiritually enlightened. But it wasn't all science and spirituality. Atlantis was a society that valued harmony and balance. They believed in the equal distribution of resources, ensuring no citizen was left wanting. They fostered a culture of peace, rejecting violence and conflict, choosing instead to resolve disputes through dialogue and consensus. The rise of Atlantis, then, is a testament to the power of unity, knowledge, and peaceful coexistence. It paints a picture of a civilization far ahead of its time, a society that dared to dream, to explore, to innovate. But if Atlantis was such an advanced civilization, a veritable utopia, what led to its downfall? The rise of Atlantis paints a picture of a civilization far ahead of its time, but what led to its fall? Atlantis, a beacon of progress and enlightenment, met an abrupt and mysterious end. Picture this: a civilization, far advanced for its time, thriving in harmony with nature, and then, in the blink of an eye, it disappears without a trace. This was the fate of Atlantis, a society that was once the epitome of advancement and knowledge, now a legend shrouded in mystery. So what happened to this lost civilization? Theories abound. each more fascinating than the last. Some believe that Atlantis succumbed to natural disasters. This wouldn't be far-fetched considering the city's supposed location in the volatile Atlantic Ocean, where earthquakes and tsunamis are not uncommon. Others propose a divine hand at play. Ancient texts often speak of Atlantis as a civilization that had lost its way, becoming consumed by greed and hubris. Could it be that the gods, offended by such arrogance, decided to wipe Atlantis off the face of the earth? This theory echoes the stories of ancient civilizations like Sodom and Gomorrah, punished for their moral decay. And then there are those who posit an invasion. Could a hostile force, envious of Atlantis's prosperity, have overrun it? Atlantis was said to be filled with unimaginable wealth and knowledge, a tempting prize for any invader indeed. The mystery surrounding Atlantis's disappearance has spurred countless attempts to locate its remains. From the depths of the Atlantic to the sunken city of Thera, from the Bahamas to the Andes, explorers and scholars have scoured the globe. Yet, despite these tireless efforts, Atlantis remains elusive. Perhaps Atlantis is not meant to be found. Perhaps its true value lies not in its physical remains, but in the lessons it offers us. The fall of Atlantis serves as a stark reminder of the impermanence of even the most powerful civilizations. It underscores the importance of humility, the dangers of unchecked ambition, and the fragility of societies that lose touch with their moral compass. The fall of Atlantis remains one of history's greatest enigmas, a reminder of the impermanence of even the mightiest civilizations. The echo of a lost civilization still reverberates, whispering lessons that we, as a society, could learn. Imagine, if you will, the illustrious Atlantis, a civilization that's said to have existed thousands of years ago, and the wisdom it imparts to us today. The Atlanteans, as per many accounts, were beings of great intelligence and technological prowess. Their city, a marvel of engineering, was a testament to their unbridled progress, a beacon of what civilization could achieve. Yet, we also know that this grandeur did not last forever. The rise and fall of Atlantis serve as a stark reminder of the importance of sustainable development. We are reminded that progress, when unchecked, can lead to the very downfall of those who seek it. The Atlanteans, according to lore, were not just masters of technology, but also keepers of balance. They understood the delicate interplay between nature and civilization, a lesson that resonates even more today. As we push the boundaries of our own developments, we must remember to tread lightly, to respect the natural world that sustains us. We must strive to create a harmony between our advances and the preservation of our environment. The story of Atlantis also teaches us about the dangers of hubris. It reminds us that no matter how advanced or powerful we become, we are not invincible. We are part of a larger universe, bound by its laws and susceptible to its whims. We must remain humble, acknowledging our limitations and vulnerabilities, even as we aspire to reach new heights. In the whispers of the Atlantean legacy, we find a call to wisdom, to balance, and to humility. These are lessons not just for us as individuals, but for us as a collective, as a civilization. It's a call to remember our past, to learn from it, and to shape our future with the wisdom of those who came before us. In the echoes of Atlantis, we find a mirror reflecting our own civilization, urging us to learn from the past. The mysteries of Atlantis continue to captivate us, sparking an insatiable quest for answers. With each passing year, more and more researchers, explorers, and scholars join the ranks of those who are tirelessly seeking the truth. They delve into ancient texts, comb through archaeological sites, and explore the depths of our oceans, all in the pursuit of one elusive civilization. In recent years, advancements in technology have given us new tools to aid in this search. Satellite imaging, underwater robotics, and cutting-edge analysis software have all brought us one step closer to the secrets of Atlantis. While definitive proof remains elusive, these advancements have led to exciting discoveries that hint at the existence of this lost civilization. Yet, despite the tantalizing glimpses we've had, the full story of Atlantis remains hidden. As we continue to explore the depths of our past, the story of Atlantis serves as a compelling reminder of the mysteries that still lie waiting to be uncovered.